In this video, we're going to explore how to forward your calls from Zoom to your UpFirst virtual receptionist. Zoom offers several options for forwarding. You can forward all of your calls, just the missed ones, or only when you're busy on another line. You can also customize settings for business hours versus after hours. We'll go over all of that, but first, you need your UpFirst phone number. Head over to your UpFirst account and under Agent Settings, copy and paste this phone number. Next, return to Zoom. Let's assume you want UpFirst to handle all of your calls during business hours. Next to Call Handling, click Edit, then Add Phone Number, choose External Number, and paste in your UpFirst phone number. You can label this number as UpFirst. Click Acknowledge, then hit Save. Ensure that the option requiring to press 1 before connecting the call is unchecked. Now we're going to turn off the Zoom desktop apps, Zoom mobile apps, and Zoom phone appliance apps. This means your phone won't ring. Instead, all calls will go directly to UpFirst. After hitting Save, all calls will be managed by UpFirst during business hours. But if you'd like the chance to answer calls yourself and only have UpFirst step in if you're unavailable, you can reverse these settings. For scenarios where you're busy on another call, select the drop-down, click Forward to External Number, paste in the UpFirst number, and ensure the Press 1 option is off. Hit Acknowledge and Save. Similarly, for unanswered calls, select Forward to External Number, input the UpFirst number, check that the necessary options are unchecked or checked as mentioned, and hit Save. Now your Zoom phone will ring, but if you can't answer, it goes to UpFirst. You can apply these same settings for after-hours calls. Under Closed Hours, if you'd like UpFirst to manage all calls, click Edit next to Call Handling, add phone number, choose External Number, input the UpFirst number, and make sure all toggles are off except for the UpFirst toggle. Hit Close, and that's it. You can also customize settings for break hours or holiday hours. Notice the max wait time drop-down available under both closed hours and business hours. This drop-down allows you to decide how long your phone should ring before transferring to UpFirst. We suggest opting for a shorter wait time. Now you know how to connect your Zoom phone to an always-on virtual receptionist.